Home Remedies presents Rub a walnut over your floor and watch what happens. An unsightly scratch in your new hardwood floors, or worse, the expensive table you purchased in a recent dining room redesign, can be enough to turn your hair gray. But before you start to stress over normal wear and tear, rest assured that there is an easy and inexpensive trick that can minimize slight damage to your favorite wood surfaces. One out-of-the-shell nut is all it takes to fill in and erase light scratches on your wooden furniture or hardwood floors. Here's how to do it and follow the steps. Crack open the shell of a walnut and dig out the meaty portion. One nut should be enough for one scratch, so no need to sacrifice an entire handful. Run the nut back and forth over the scratch a few times in the same direction as the wood grain, then rub your finger over the scratch to warm the wood even further. Let the scratch sit for about 5 minutes. Lastly, use a soft cloth to buff the area. Now the scratch is sealed and gone. Why this works? The oils from the nut will form a layer over the scratch, filling it in and darkening it so that your furniture will look as good as new. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.